Hi everyone, it's me, Danny Seo, and welcome to a brand new edition of The Empties here on QVC, where we talk about clean beauty, the best of the best, where every single product is gorgeous all the way to the last drop. Speaking of gorgeousness, I've got a special guest today, everyone. It's the one and only actress, Amy Smart. Hi.
Hi, Danny.
Say hi to everyone at home.
Hi, guys. So happy to be here talking about clean beauty. It's my jam.
And I have to say, if there is one person, not actress, you're not a singer, but no singers, dancers, anyone in the world who I think is the epitome of green, healthy, clean living, it's definitely you. We go way back.
We go way back. I mean, not teenage years, but close.
Yeah, I think 20 plus years,
yeah.
Right? That's so crazy. Well,
I know.
We are here in your home.
We're older and wiser now.
Which is true, and greener.
And greener, yeah.
And what we want to talk about today are just some of the all-star clean beauty products that we're bringing to QVC. So they meet QVC's really strict standards for clean beauty, which is fantastic. But I find, and maybe you find the same thing too, that just because something is clean and free of ingredients, is it still a good product?
Right.
And what I love about this selection that I'm going to take you through is that they meet their strict standards, but they also have some great efficacy, and end of the day, they really work. So we're not going to talk about everything here. This is just sort of a curated collection. So I'm going to let you randomly pick something that you're attracted to, and I'll tell you all about it. Okay,
let's see here. Let's look at these. I just love this name, Hear Me Raw.
Hear Me Raw. Okay.
Tell me about one of these big, what are they? Big
tubs
containers,
of love.
Tubs of love.
These are tubs of love. So Hear Me Raw is a face mask collection. Right. And so it's not the fabric face mask, but it's actually, remember the clay mask?
Yes.
So that's what these are all about. But I just want to show you what's a little bit different about them is that they're incredibly sustainable because they're all refills.
Nice.
So you get the glass container once, you fall in love with the product, and there's a whole variety of them to address different types of skin concerns. And then it has this fresh seal on it, so you always have less waste, and this is fully recyclable too.
Wonderful. I love that sort of refillable aspect of that.
Which is great, but the products really work. And so one of my favorite ones, and we're going to leave this with you, and I want you to maybe go on social media and try this on Carter. It's kind of fun. It's called the Detoxifier.
Ooh.
So this is a traditional activated charcoal mask, but the difference is it rubs off.
It does.
Yeah, so you leave it on and it rubs off and everything just comes off with the dead skin and it exfoliates. It's fantastic.
Ooh. How long do you leave it on? Like 10 minutes?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Nice.
Oh, and by the way, here's a question for you.
Okay.
So a lot of people, you'll see a mask product, maybe it says 30 minutes, and some people might think, oh, I'll leave it on for an hour.
The longer the better.
Right. Do you agree or disagree?
It depends what kind of mask it is. Some masks you can sleep in, and if it's super hydrating. But tell me what we should do.
Hold on. If the directions say you can sleep overnight in a mask, sure. But if it says only 30 minutes, is it okay to leave it on longer?
See, this is where my expertise is not coming in handy.
What would you
I guess not, because it sounds like you're giving me a trick question here.
It's true. So the reason you shouldn't leave on a mask product longer than the recommended time is that it actually can, let's say, like for example, the activated charcoal one is designed to really pull out, excess oil, clean the pores, and when it's too strong, it actually do more damage to your skin if you leave it on for too long. So you want to do the recommended amount, not too long, not too short, just like Goldilocks,
That's good to know, actually.
Okay, so this is a French line called Becca. And Becca, we're making our US debut here at QVC, and it's completely clean and cruelty-free, but it's based on a brand that's been in Paris for nearly a century. And so what I discovered, because when I'm doing television, I don't like to wear any makeup. It's like I just feel like I have something on my skin. And so this is this is called the Matte Perfection Fluid, and what I love about it is that there's a natural mineral. And this is actually absorbing excess oil and shine. And what it does, I'm going to do half my face, is that it actually leaves a beautiful matte finish with no silicones. Because sometimes something when you find that's mattifying uses silicone and that just clogs the pores. So this is a clean version of something that you need.
That's nice.
And can you kind of see a difference?
Yeah,
it's going to keep really absorbing.
Nice. So is it a moisturizer as well?
It is a moisturizer,
Okay.
and if you have combination skin or oily skin, this is something you can just put on with a little bit of SPF and you're good to go for the rest of the day.
That's nice. That's nice because I feel like so many people have sort of combination skin of like dry and then really oily and those T-zones and that's nice to just sort of rely on that. It feels good and it smells good. That's nice.
I'm a huge fan of this one. And then the other one that Becca makes, did I miss some?
Yeah.
Thank you. Well, I don't have a mirror.
We'll just put it on this side too.
This is the Advanced Plumping Serum, and it has hyaluronic acid in it.
Nice.
We love hyaluronic acid.
Yes.
Intense moisturization for your skin. But this is this serum. What I love about it is that it's clear.
Okay.
And it's something that really just gives a natural
you just want
lift.
to put that on right away, huh?
Just a natural lift to your skin. So I'm a big fan of serums because there's no oils in it.
Okay.
And so it's just like a big drink of water for your skin.
Yeah, that feels nice. I just want to keep putting this on.
And then you mentioned before we started talking that you are familiar with this.
Yes, I did buy this when I was working on Stargirl, and I was taking my makeup off with it. It's a really cool product.
It's the Pharmacy Green Clean. It's a makeup removing balm, and I'll show you. It's like, look how thick and dense it is.
Yeah.
And you know what's crazy? It is actually their #1 selling product.
Okay.
And a lot of people think a makeup removing balm or an oil wouldn't be great for skin, but you've tried it and loved it.
Yeah, no, it's great.
But the rule is
loosens.
it completely loosens and melts everything away.
Yeah.
But the rule is, like, you know how diamonds cut diamonds?
Yeah.
Oil breaks up oil.
Ah, okay.
And so when you're using a product that isn't oil based to remove makeup, you're just tugging and rubbing and trying to get everything off, where this really just melts everything down, and so it just gently washes off. True fact about this product, it's actually a top selling product with drag queens.
Oh, really?
And it kind of makes sense, right?
Yeah. Right, the layers of makeup. Yeah, it smells like limes. I like it.
So we're excited about Pharmacy because this is an
nice.
iconic brand, and you can now get it at QVC, which is so exciting.
That is great.
And then finally, I just want to show you, this is the last thing. This is all the way from Israel.
Okay.
It's a brand called Levido.
Okay.
And this is their famous, can I give you a little?
Yeah.
Of their oils. And there's a gentleman by the name of Ido Magal, who's a genius chemist.
Okay.
And he creates these formulations based on his studies of herbal chemistry. And this is an oil that I talked about how much I love serums, but this oil actually dries down.
It does?
To a matte
I know it
finish.
says a serum, but it feels like an oil.
And you just tap it in, and I think
It kind of just sinks right in. Doesn't sit on your skin so much.
No, you just tap it in, and
Yeah.
you're completely good to go.
I love it. It says like, what is it? Lemon myrtle and
Lemon myrtle, pomegranate oil.
pomegranate seed and mandarin.
So Amy,
Yes?
I have a phrase called "do just one thing,"
Okay.
and where it's like if you have to do just one thing to be healthier, greener, kinder,
Okay.
what would it be? And I want to hear yours. What's Amy Smart's do just one thing?
Eat organic apples.
And why is that?
Because you can eat the hydration. I think I keep reading about keeping hydrated. Obviously, that affects your skin so much. It affects your mood. It affects how you feel. And drinking water is obviously a necessity and really good. But eating your water helps keep your body hydrated longer. So I read this book about hydration, and we have been eating organic apples every day, my husband, my daughter, and I think that we always feel better. One, it has good fiber, it has like a little bit of natural sugar, and that's my one thing.
Is it an apple a day or more than an apple a day?
I think just an apple a day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that. So guys, eat your hydration.
I know. Organic.
Okay. I'm going to go snag an apple out of your fridge.
Okay.
I want to thank you for your time,
Thanks,
Amy.
Danny. I love you.
We had a really nice time with our special guest, Amy Smart, on a brand new edition of the Empties here at QVC. Be sure to check out qvc.com/Danny Seo to see the whole curated collection. And thanks, everyone, and I'll see you guys next week.
Thank you. Bye.